In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Tradingview. First, open your web browser and head to the Tradingview homepage. You can type the site address directly or use your preferred search engine to find it. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the menus and icons appear. This matters because the language control lives inside a menu that only shows up when the interface is ready. You don't need any special setup for this, just the standard homepage view. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and find the profile icon or avatar. It's a small circular icon that may show a silhouette or your initial if you are signed in. Click it to open the account menu. If you are on a phone or tablet and don't immediately see the avatar, tap the menu icon in the corner first. Then look for the same profile symbol inside that panel. The language setting is the same on desktop and mobile, but the path to open the menu can look slightly different depending on screen size. With the account menu open, scroll down until you see the language option. It's typically near the bottom of the list and may have a globe or similar indicator. Take your time here, this menu can be a bit long and it's easy to skip past the setting if you are moving quickly. Once you spot language, click it to reveal the available choices. Now, select your preferred language from the list. As soon as you click a language, Tradingview will automatically reload the page to apply your choice. After the refresh, you'll notice that menus, labels, and prompts appear in the new language. While your charts and watch lists stay exactly as you left them, if the page doesn't seem to update right away, give it a second or refresh your browser manually. If you ever choose the wrong language by mistake, simply repeat these same steps to switch back. A quick tip: if you are signed in, your language preference can carry across devices where you use the same account. If you are not signed in, the setting is saved in your browser, so it will persist on that device. And that's it. Thanks for watching.